Hi friends! So we are learning about the letter M, and you guys have a large M at your house and it says macaroni on an M. So I'm gonna glue macaroni on an M, and I'm gonna put my camera so you can see my M. There we go, and here's my macaroni. So I'm gonna glue macaroni on my M. Do you remember what sound M makes? Mmm. Oh, that's the sound you can make when you eat macaroni. Mmm. M. M says mmm, and macaroni starts with an M. Now, if you don't have macaroni, you can use cereal or whatever you have. Marshmallows start with M. You could put marshmallows on. That's yummy. Marshmallows, macaroni. Anything you can think of that starts with M. Let's think of, these are not things we're going to glue on our M, but we talked about things today that start with M. Monkey starts with M, and mouse starts with M. Money starts with M. Can you guys think of some other things that start with M? Marble. Do you remember our M song, Marvin the Monkey? Those are all things that start with M. All right, there's my macaroni on my M. You guys see it? And if I'm making my M, you can either do, Miss Marnie says, long line down, back up, slide in, climb up the mountain's M. All right, have a great day, friends. Bye-bye.